Hi Year 1, going straight into our counting by two skill sharp this morning. Okay, let's go, casting along. Okay, hopefully we're nice and warmed up now. Practice our singing. So let's have a little go. Can we play greatest to smallest? Can we place the three cards in order from greatest number, that means the biggest, to the smallest? So which is the biggest number there? Which is the greatest number, the highest number, the most? Yeah, it's 19, isn't it? We're nearly at 20 when we're in 19. Which is the next smallest number? Might be easy to do it this way. So which is the smallest number? It's 12. That's the greatest number. That's the smallest number or the least number. So that one must go in the middle, mustn't it? So 19, 16, 12. 12, 16, 19. They're going in order from greatest to smallest. So it says, pick two cards. What could go in the middle? We've got 16 and we've got 19. Is there more than one correct answer? Let's have a look. What numbers could go in the middle here? 16. What comes after 16? Could it be 17? What else could it be? Or it could be 18, couldn't it? So there's more than one answer there. That card could be 17 or it could be 18. Could it be 15? No, it couldn't, because it has to be between the two. It has to go, and 15 would be less than 16. So between 16 and 19, there are only two answers that it could be. I've got a true or false question here. 10 will be in the middle if I order the numbers from smallest to greatest or from greatest to smallest. So it's saying 10 will be in the middle no matter which order I put them in. Let's try. So which is the smallest number here? Let's have a look. Smallest number is 3. So let's cross that one out because we've used it. The next smallest is 5. Cross that one out. What's the next smallest? 10. 13. And then the biggest number is 15. So it says 10 will be in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 is in the middle. That's true if we do it from smallest to greatest. And if we do it from greatest to smallest, it will just be backwards, won't it? So it is true. So our answer there is it's true. The 10 will be in the middle, no matter what order we put them in. Okay, so this one says match each picture to the correct number. So let's have a look. Let's get our matching ready. So we've got 10. A stick is a 10. We don't need to count it. We can count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's match that one up. Easy. Oh, 10 and 10. 10 add 10 is 20. So that means this one should be 19, but let's count to check. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Can we put those in order from smallest to greatest? So what's the smallest number there? It's 14. So 14 is the least, the smallest. Then it's 19. And then the last one, the greatest number there, the biggest is 20. Oh, that's a bit of a wobbly 20. Okay, so this one says, circle the number that could fit in the sequence below. So let's have a look. Let's get some clues first. 18, 16, 12. So we're going from the greatest to the smallest. The numbers are getting smaller as they go along, aren't they? So we want a number that's smaller than a 16, but bigger than 12. So 10, that's too small, isn't it? It's smaller than 12, so it wouldn't go there. 20, could that go there? No, it can't go there because 20 is too big. It doesn't fit between those two numbers. 14, yes, it could go there. If we had 15 or 13, that could also go there. So 14 fits nicely. Let's check. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 18, 16, 14, 12. We're going from greatest to smallest. Okay, so your task today, red, orange and yellow group, you've got some sheets that look a little bit like this. So it says order them from smallest to largest. So smallest first to largest. So you're gonna, these actually are in order from smallest to largest already. So 12 is the smallest, then a 16, then 19. So you're just going to rewrite them in their boxes from smallest to largest. Which is the smallest one here? 15. So you're going to put 15 first and then work out which order the other two numbers go in, okay? So write a number that could go in the middle from smallest to largest. So 12, if we've got 12 and we've got 16, what could go in the middle? We could have 13, that would be a right answer because it's more than 12 and less than 16. We could have 14, that would be a correct answer because it's more than 12 and less than 16. Or it could be 15. So any of those numbers that you choose to put in here would be the right answer. If you put 17 in there, would it be right? No, because it's more than 16. So you need to think carefully what numbers it could be and then choose one and write it in the space. You're doing the same here. And then you've got some true or false questions. So it says the numbers are ordered from greatest to smallest. So have a look, see if you think if that's true or false. So what does greatest mean when we talk about numbers? It means the biggest number, doesn't it? The largest number, okay? Greatest, largest, biggest, they all mean the same thing. And then smallest and least mean the same, the smallest number. You need to read the questions carefully. Sometimes it will say order from smallest to largest. Sometimes it will say order from greatest to smallest. So you need to make sure that you're reading the questions carefully so that you're getting what you need to do correct, okay? So green group, you've got a similar task. So it says order them from smallest to largest. So out of these, which one is the smallest number? It's 4, isn't it? So 4 is the smallest. Then it's 5, and then it's 7. So we're going to be rewriting them in order, okay? And then this one says put the numbers in order from smallest to greatest. So we've got 1, 3 and 6. Which is the smallest? 1. Which is the next? 3, and then it's 6. So you're going to rewrite them in the right order for those. This one says circle the number that could fit in the sequence below. So you've got 3, 7, 9. So this one needs to be a number between 3 and 7. So it can't be 2 because that's too small. Can't be 8 because that's too big. So it has to be 5. So you would just put your number in here, the one that fits, okay? Or it says circle it actually. So you can just circle it or you can write it in. And then blue group, you've got you're going to need some pegs for your lesson, and you've got some peg cards. So what you have to do is count the dots and then choose the peg that shows the right number. So we've got 1 there, so you would put your peg on the number 1. It's not 4 and it's not 2, so you can choose the right number to show how many are on the card. Okay, all right, enjoy your math lesson year 1, and I'll speak to you tomorrow again for your last math lesson of the week. Bye bye.